Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer stated in the description before watching the video. Today I will inform you about animal protection laws in India. What is its importance? Animals cannot speak for themselves, making the legal system their primary safeguard against neglect and torture. Understanding animal rights enables citizens to identify and report abuses to authorized bodies like Animal Welfare Board of India. Now let's see about the animal protection laws in India. The Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 is the foundational law criminalizing the beating, kicking, overloading and starving of animals. It is also led to the creation of the Animal Welfare Board of India to promote animal welfare. Provisions under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Section 428 and 429 of Indian Penal Code are consolidated under Section 325 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which says any person found guilty of killing, poisoning, maiming or rendering an animal useless faces imprisonment up to 5 years, a fine or both. It's a cognizable offense, which means a police officer can arrest an accused without a warrant and initiate an investigation directly. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It provides stringent protection to wild animals, birds and reptiles. It prohibits hunting, the destruction or disturbance of their nest and eggs, with penalties reaching up to 7 years in prison. The Constitution of India, under Article 51 AG, makes it a fundamental duty for every Indian citizen to have compassion for living creatures. Specific rules and regulations. Enactments like Animal Birth Control Dogs Rules 2001 prohibits illegal relocation and culling of street dogs, while the Transport of Animals Rules 1978 mandates humane conditions during the moving of livestock. Let's see the information about the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. The primary legislation is the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, which prohibits causing unnecessary pain or suffering to any living creature. It establishes the Animal Welfare Board of India to prevent the infliction of unnecessary pain or suffering on animals and to promote animal welfare across the country. Core objectives. First, preventing abuse. Protects all living creatures other than humans from unnecessary sufferings, beating, mutilation and abandonment. Second, regulating experiment. Ensures animal experimentation ethical, overseen by committee and kept to a strict minimum. Performing animal. Requires training and exhibition on performing animals to be officially registered and regulated. Key enforcement body. The Animal Welfare Board of India, formed in 1962 under the Act. It advises the government, provides financial aid to animal shelters and promotes animal welfare awareness. Offences and penalties. Punishment for cruelty, that is, overloading, beating or starving, typically range from fines to imprisonment, with increased penalties for repeated offences. Being a voice for the voiceless is a noble mission. Animals cannot speak for themselves, so they rely entirely on human compassion and action for their safety, rights and well-being. As per Article 51 AG of Indian Constitution, it's our fundamental duty to have compassion for all living creatures. If you witness any animal cruelty, prioritize the animal's safety, document the incidents, and file an FIR at the concerned police station. The video is about the information of animal protection laws in India. See you in the next video. Bye.